Hello, everyone. Currently, many countries and regions are promoting the adoption of new energy buses. However, due to resource endowments and infrastructure limitations, we cannot simply replicate pure electric vehicle solutions. We must pursue a diversified technological approach. The extended range bus behind me represents Golden Dragon's latest solution. Next, using this extended range bus as an example, we will explain what extended range technology entails. We believe extended range technology represents an upgrade to the pure electric vehicle configuration, as it also incorporates its own 3 electric system. Observe. This vehicle is equipped with a high-capacity lithium iron phosphate battery. Additionally, it features a high reliability, low energy consumption, high torque electric drive system specifically developed by Golden Dragon for overseas markets. This includes the electronic control system, which is fundamentally consistent with pure electric vehicle configuration. Now, the most significant difference between range extended and pure electric vehicles lies in the rear layout. Here, a range extending system composed of a high-efficiency diesel engine and generator is installed. This diesel engine does not directly drive the vehicle, unlike traditional fuel-powered cars. Instead, it powers the rear generator, which supplies electricity to the motor and battery. Therefore, this setup essentially functions as an onboard power generator. It's like having a portable power bank attached to your vehicle, continuously supplying electricity to the powertrain. This eliminates reliance on charging stations and alleviates range anxiety. According to relevant data calculations, with a full tank of fuel and fully charged batteries, this vehicle can achieve a maximum range exceeding 1,600 kilometers. Thus, it effectively resolves the journey anxiety associated with pure electric vehicles. Now, let's examine its structure. It differs fundamentally from conventional hybrid technology because it doesn't directly engage the vehicle's propulsion. Consequently, its driving experience closely resembles that of a pure electric bus. Next, we'll get behind the wheel to experience its handling firsthand. Let's explore the vehicle's pure electric mode. During acceleration and initial movement, it feels identical to a pure electric vehicle, smooth and effortless. When the battery reaches a certain charge level, the range extender activates to recharge it. Once the battery is sufficiently charged again, we can resume pure electric driving. In other words, the driving feel of this vehicle is virtually indistinguishable from a pure electric car. Next, let's experience the range extended mode. This mode operates in 2 ways. One is manual forced range extension activation. The system automatically selects when to start the range extender based on battery charge levels. When the range extender is running, you'll hear engine startup and operation sounds inside the cabin. However, we clearly feel it operates differently from traditional vehicles because the engine isn't involved in propelling the car. Therefore, as we can see, its RPM remains consistently around 1,400. This RPM range represents the most efficient operating period for our diesel engine, simultaneously achieving the most economical fuel consumption. In this mode, our engine offers 2 primary advantages. First, it consumes less fuel, resulting in lower fuel consumption. Second, it operates more environmentally friendly. Additionally, the noise it emits is significantly quieter than that of a traditional vehicle's engine. Thus, these are the core strengths of the range extender system. We believe that compared to other technological approaches, extended range technology primarily offers 3 key advantages. First, unlike pure electric buses, it doesn't rely on charging stations and eliminates range anxiety. It also operates reliably in extreme cold, without concerns about significant battery degradation. and its relatively lower battery capacity reduces initial procurement costs. Of course, if fuel is abundant and affordable in your region, operating costs can be lower than pure electric vehicles. Second, compared to traditional fuel vehicles, its engine consistently operates within the most economical range, achieving up to 30% fuel savings. This results in lower overall operating costs and greater environmental friendliness. Naturally, when entering restricted zones, it can switch to pure electric mode, achieving true zero emissions. Third, the advantage over hybrid vehicles lies in its simpler structure and systems. Without a transmission or clutch, it experiences lower failure rates and higher reliability. This also reduces long-term maintenance costs. Moreover, the absence of gear-shifting jerks enhances the driving experience. Because it utilizes a high-torque motor, it can adapt to diverse road conditions. Through today's introduction and hands-on test drive experience, we believe everyone now has a solid understanding of Golden Dragon's range-extended electric bus. We firmly believe that in the realm of new energy bus technology, there is no distinction between advanced and outdated approaches. Only whether a solution is suitable or